Hello friends, this is from the On the Way. Today we have taken a problem, merge string alternatively, which is the most frequently asked question in interviews, and one of the question from LeetCode 75. So what is the question given is, there is given a word, string word with some size and string word 2 with some size. We have to merge the strings, both the strings alternatively and put it in one string. So not making it complexly, we will take the size of n, word 1 size, and m, word 2 size. So we can do it by while loop. Let's take it, initialize I equal to 1, then while I less than, we can directly put it while I less than maximum between n and m. Why we have taken it maximum? Because if we will do like minimum or something taken I less than n or m, maybe one both the size of the array, both the size of the string is not equal, so we will may skip or do not completely do it. So we will take maximum between the size of n and m, so it will be taken all the characters, both the strings alternatively. If some character of one string done completed, then the rest of the character, it will be append to the last of the string. And to save it in string, what we have to return, we have taken, let's take it word string, and what we'll do, if I is less than n, then we will put word 1 into, and same we will do for word 2 if I less than m. And after doing both the things, we will increase the I, and let's return it. So run it. Yeah, it is being accepted. Let's submit. Yeah guys, it is submitted. So if you will look into what is the time and space complexity of this code, here for we have taken I less than maximum between n and m, so time complexity will be big of maximum between n and m. And what will be space complexity? Space complexity will be, we have taken word 1 and word 2, so space complexity will be big of n plus m. Okay, let's see in next question.